All right, so there are two different ways which you could do a delivery. One is from the wind-up and one is from the stretch. The stretch is a little bit simpler, so for those that prefer like to simplify in the beginning, this would be the way that you do it. At the major league level or beyond 12U, you'd have to do this when you have runners on base. So let's focus first on the feet. So this is from the stretch, our set position from the stretch. What we want to do is stagger our feet just like this. So our big toe of our back leg is in line with the arch of our front leg. So the cue here is big toe to arch. Now the second thing is you want to get into your legs a little bit. So you're going to bend both legs down. And this particularly is not just for young players, but this helps you get into your back legs and use your legs more. Now, before we go to the upper body, I want you to notice that there's an angle right here that develops. We're gonna mimic that angle in the shoulders right here. So make that angle the same. So you can, if you wanna use pitching terminology, you can say that your set position is slightly closed. And there are reasons for that, to increase hip and shoulder separation, to increase velocity, but that's basically what you're trying to do. Now your glove is gonna be up at chest level, your elbows kind of relaxed like this, and looking at your target. So this is your set position, and it can help you with a lot of different things here. So looking at it this way, you can see how you can see his back just a little bit. Now, what you want to encourage from the set position is get into a foot strike, so that's your front foot, going as far as possible and as quick as possible. Quick is the key. Far and as quick as possible. Even if they can't hit a target, that's okay. You can just throw a towel. That's a very common one. So you don't have to worry about your accuracy, but we need to get the body to move fast. Or you can just put a target right here, like a big old net, so they're not worried about it. So as quick as possible. Set position, deliver it as quick as possible. And the third kind of basic thing, deliver a pitch slowly, Jackson, is we are gonna keep our glove in line with our chest. As he continues to follow through, he keeps his glove up and he brings his chest to his glove, not bringing the glove to the chest, so as he bends over there. So that's an example of pitching from the stretch. Just in case you're unfamiliar with the terminology, go back here and just give an example of like a basic windup. That would be like feet starting this way, taking a rock or step or something like this. This would be an example of pitching from the windup. There's less steps pitching from the stretch. You're going to have to pitch from the stretch when you're 13, when you have leadoffs, or if you do travel ball. So it's a really good, simple place to start. Everything has a purpose in that. Just remember, set position, go as fast as possible, chest to glove.